Well, welcome to Sandy Sun Travel. So today we're going to walk through the online check-in process for a Norwegian cruise. Now, I did the check-in for my February 2024 cruise on January 14th of 24, if that helps you, if you're wondering when this was all filmed. So we're going to go through this process step by step, and hopefully it'll help you out. So let's check it out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the app. Now, there are only a few differences between the app and the website. And what I want to do is walk through these first couple of steps on the app, and then I'm going to transition and go through these same first couple of steps on the website. And then after those first few steps, both the app and the website kind of sync up and they look almost identical. So first things first, open up your app, the Norwegian Cruise Line app, right? Now you're going to click on a little, I've heard people call it the hamburger button. It's the three little lines on the top right on your phone. You'll see in the little arrow here. And now on the Android app, I think it might be three little dots, but either way, it's the little spot you tap to get the menu. Now this screen's going to pop up, and you're going to click Online Check-In. Now you're going to get a little alert, at least on on Apple phones. It's going to ask you if you're okay with leaving the app, because it's going to take you over to the website. So you'll click OK. And at this point, it takes you to your online check-in, which is pretty much identical to the way it looks on the website. All right. And we're going to move over to the website now. And I'm going to go through these same few steps. So just hang out until you get back to a screen that looks just like this, or skip forward in the video if you're doing it on the app, whatever. And we'll go there. Hey, if I can take a quick pause in the middle of this video, would you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. We love making the videos, we love that you watch them, and we're just so thankful that you do. If you're doing the check-in on the website, you're first going to have to navigate to ncl.com, and then you're going to have to click Login. The next step is going to be to enter your email and your username or password. And obviously don't tell us what those are. Hopefully your password is not password. Then you'll click Login. So next, click the box here where it says, where mine says Edit Check-In. Yours is probably just going to say Online Check-In. I've already checked in, so mine just says Edit Check-In. Your box will be in this location. Now I have a green section here because I've already checked in. But what you can do, you can either click Start Check-In, or you can click the yellow down arrow to start your check-in. Now this information, you're going to want to put your personal information here, add it. These next few slides should be pretty self-explanatory, but we'll go ahead and walk through them. This is where you're going to add your contact info. Here you're going to add your proof of citizenship, and just for your information, we always use our passport. Now here's where you can set up transportation between the airport and the ship, or transportation between the ship and the airport. We're staying at a hotel the night before and the night after, so we chose no to each. But sometimes we will go ahead and use the cruise line transportation for our return to the airport if we're flying out the day we return, disembarkation day. And now on this section, you can add a drink package, Wi-Fi, specialty dining, all those little add-ons. You can also add priority access, or whatever else they have available. Now we had the free at sea package, which included the unlimited bar, the unlimited open bar. It had some specialty dining, so on. And then we had an additional special perk that was available when we booked, because we booked through a travel agent. So we didn't add anything else. Although in the future we'll book through ourselves because we're travel agents. Now you're going to add your payment info, and just as an FYI, I had a little trouble trying to make sure that Melissa and I were on the same form of payment. I'm not really sure why, but it was a thing. I added Melissa's information, then I went back, and my payment information just went through just fine. So I don't know what was going on. I'm sure it was something I did, but if you experience a problem, just kind of work your way through everything, go back and try again. A lot of times it was just maybe a hiccup in the system, I don't know. Now here, under the health and safety section, you're going to add your picture. Now another thing to note, they do not let you add a picture if you're wearing glasses. I don't get that either, but You have to take your glasses off for the picture. And then I had a little trouble because I tried to add Melissa's picture, and I don't know if it was the file size or if it was the lighting in the room or something. It just did not like the picture, would not even take it, and eventually it came up and said that they would just take a picture at the terminal. So we'll have to take a couple extra minutes, or whatever, a couple seconds to take a picture, but it'll all be good. Now you get to select the time that you want to arrive at the terminal on cruise days, so make sure that you select that and get the time you want. And then you're going to have to do a short health questionnaire, and you're going to have to watch a safety video, which is basically like the muster drill video, and that's pretty much it. You read your contract, you agree to your contract, your cruise contract, and then you're done. Now you're all checked in and you're waiting for your cruise. Now one thing to keep in mind, this is a kind of a pro tip. You can check in at midnight Miami time for your cruise. So if you live in the central time zone like we do, we waited until our check-in date was January 14th. But we stayed up till 11 p.m., which is midnight Eastern time, and we did it on the 13th. If you live out in in California, you could probably do your check-in at 9 p.m. So I just waited. We logged on, we're able to do it, get it done, and then we've just been waiting ever since. But we leave in a couple of days, so hopefully this helps you get ready for your Norwegian cruise, as we're currently getting ready for ours. We're 3 days away. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.